Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? This is your boy, the Rye Nation here. And on one of my videos on YouTube, I've gotten a message. Well, not really a message, but a comment asking me. Here, I'll show you guys. It says here, right here. He's right here where it says Blue the Wolf. Oops, get rid of that. It says Blue the Wolf. It says commented, "How did you make this?" So anyways, in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly I made that video on how I made the fan-made Bend the Ink Machine cassette tapes recording things. Okay, so basically what I did is, I go out to Safari, and I go to Google Images, and I look up Bending the Ink Machine tape recorder. And all you basically have to scroll down until you find this right here, which is a picture of a blank tape recorder thingy right here. And then what you want to do is you want to take that and then press save image, but I already have that, so I don't need to save it. So yeah, basically you just save image and then it will be in your gallery. 1 second. See, I have it already right here. So this is what it looks like. It's blank. Okay, so then what you want to do next is you want to download this app called Fonto right here. Okay, so I have Fonto launched up right here. And then what you want to do is go to your photo albums. You press the little camera button right down there. You press that. You go to photo albums. And then you select that picture of the tape recorder. And it doesn't matter like what kind of filter it has. I'm just going to use the regular plain filter. Okay, so there you have it. You have the picture of the tape recorder right here. So then what you want to do is you want to add a text. And then you could put like the voice of. You could put that right there. Make sure you size it correctly. So it's going to make it a little bit big like that. And then I changed the coloring to let me see, I'm trying to find out where the color is. Okay, so you go to style, I think, and then you can just switch it to black. So there, it's black, and you can change the font if you want. I usually go with this kind of thing right here, bold. Okay, voice of, and then I just put another one, the voice of the name of someone. Like first in my video, I just put the Rye Nation. The Rye Nation. Excuse me. I hate when I do that during a video. But anyways, yeah, so then you just want to make the lettering of the name bigger than the voice of. Excuse me, my nose is stuffy. So yeah, that's basically how you put the voice of. And then you just add a text here, basically saying whatever you want, you know? You say, hello, my name is Anston. Like Anston Morales. Okay? So basically, you can just write that, and then you just gotta size it so that it fits. And make it look like a regular text, okay? If you write more than one word, then you're probably gonna have to make it a little bit smaller. Then you just do by paragraph by paragraph. Like basically, you gotta do paragraph by paragraph if you want to fit more. Yeah, and then you basically just save that in the you basically save that, like you can either save it as an image in your images, or you can save image as PNG. I usually put PNG because it's better quality, I think, in my opinion. But yeah, it's basically you save that. I'm not gonna save this one, but you know. And then basically what you do is next you either could go to like a video editing app. I have 3 on my phone. I have iMovie, Filmmaker Pro, and InShot. Now for the the tape recorder thing, I use InShot because it gets all of the image. And just like that. Then you just construct a video. You start it with a new one, and you just go down to a photo. You go to photos, and you go down to one that has a text on it. I'm just gonna choose the blank one just for the hell of it. And then basically you have your video right there. It's just playing. And then you could just extend it to the duration of how you want it. If you need it to be longer, what I would do is just like copy and paste it. because I'm not sure how to extend it anymore. But yeah, basically that. And you guys probably wondering how to like do the voice. Well, here's how I do it. Let's see. Okay, so I download this app called Voice Plus, which is a voice changing app, and then I select one of the effects. One of the effects I use is I think it's either gramophone or megaphone. No, I think it's something different. I don't exactly remember what it was, but I think it was gramophone, possibly, or it might have been old telephone. One of these effects, you choose one of those, it'll work. But yeah, so basically you just choose that effect, and then you press the little microphone, the red microphone button. You record your track. You're like, man, he must have worked us really hard or something. Man, he must have worked us really hard or something. So yeah, I'll just play back as that. It'll sound all old and stuff. Man, he must have worked us really hard or something. So that's basically, I don't know if you guys heard that, but yeah, that's basically how it'll sound. And then you can just import it or save it. You can title it whatever you want, and then you just like here's like a list. You could just take this. See, these are the two voices I did for the other two videos I made, and then what I do is I press like, I either press this one, and then you guys can like export it to iMovie. No, not like, you can copy it InShot. If you copy it InShot, then the audio is gonna be there. The audio is gonna be there, and then what you do is here. Let me go back to InShot. So let's pretend we do another video. Okay, I'm just gonna go back to the blank, and then you just go to music, and you go to tracks, and then you go to featured. No, not featured. Not featured. You go to received music right here. See, and it shows you all the tracks that he puts down. See, this is the voice of the Ryan Nation. Basically, if I were to select that from the voice changer app, you export it to this, and then it'll show up right here on the received music part. Okay. So then basically you just select that, you press use, and then all you gotta do is just extend this. You gotta like extend this like up until like the audio's done. Like let's see, like we pick the duration. Like I said, it'll take a minute, so you gotta just keep looking there. Just keep looking right there, and then you just basically copy and paste it. Or no, not like that. So you basically just copy. You copy it like a bunch of times until it fills up. And then, you know, right there, then you just gotta cut it to where it is. So basically you have to cut it right there. You gotta make sure you like decrease it a little bit. So what I do is just like take that, I just shorten the duration, and just make sure, just keep like decreasing it until you get it like about at the end of the music where it says that. So let's see. So about almost there. So yeah, there we go. See? So basically now the duration of the photo is now the same.
Okay, things are starting to get pretty weird around here. I saw Susie running out of the studio crying her eyes out.
And then basically, yeah, that's what you do. So then afterwards you just how do I pause? You just like export it, you can just save it. You save it into your photo gallery, and then you go back to your photo gallery, and then the video is basically going to be there. See, this is what it does. It's going to do it like that. Okay, just make sure you do it like that. And also you just gotta make sure the frame rate is good. Like there's certain other ways you could do it. Like there's no frame, which is what I usually prefer. Then there's this one, this one, this one. You know, there's these ones, all crazy. But I just choose no frames so that I can look official. So yeah, that's basically how it works. And you know, that's basically it. So yeah, so that's basically how you do it. And then you just upload it to YouTube just like regular. Whether it's from the app or it's from your computer, you can import it to your computer just like that, and then you could just import it there. So yeah, that's basically how I made those fan-made audios for Benny and the Ink Machine. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more, and hit that bell notification to be notified when my new videos come out. And you know, share this with your friends. Make sure they can subscribe to me, recommend me to everyone else. And that's all for today, you guys. See you guys in the next video. Peace.